Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your ChatGPT account permanently. At first, come to Gmail and make sure you're on the Gmail account with which you have your AI ChatGPT account opened up or signed in. After that, we're going to click on Compose, and in 2 we're going to type in deletion at openai.com, and this one pops up. Click on this one, and in subject we're going to write account deletion request, and then here just say, hey, I have a ChatGPT account with this email and I want to delete it. Please delete my ChatGPT account. And then once you press send, within 24 hours, your email will be reviewed, and this is how you can delete your ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.